There was an era when people believed having a degree would secure their life. They thought doing a particular degree from a particular university would make them rich. I'm sure you're aware that this era doesn't exist anymore. Then came an era of skills where interviewers stopped asking about your degree. They directly asked, how can you help us? Even this era is about to end because of AI and automation. Now, the question is how to secure our present and future. Ladies and gentlemen, what will matter now and in future is not what you know and how much you know. What matters more is how you think, how you communicate, how you influence, how you persuade, and how you sell your ideas. In short, what matters more is your life skills and human skills. With all these in mind, I am organizing a free workshop named as Communication Beyond Skills. This is not a one-way webinar. It is a proper workshop where you will be allowed to speak to. We will communicate. We will have fun activities too. I promise you that you will have a great time and you will be a better person. This workshop is free, but what matters more is your attention. So if you can attend with your cameras on, if you can communicate, then you attend. This happens on Thursdays and Sundays. Every session will have a limited number of seats. Do book your seat by registering yourself as per your convenient day. See you in the workshop. Thank you.